Hi, so today we are going to Hexmesh this part. I am using HyperMesh 23. So let's start. Firstly, it is a reflectable part. I mean to say this is symmetrical about this XY plane. So I can just split it. Split. Okay. Now I can just hide this part and I can save this view. Okay. Now I need to make a split here and here to make it uh, mappable solid. Okay, this has been splitted. Now I need to split this also. Split it. Now uh, what I can do is I can make one washer kind of thing here and uh, then drag the mesh from here to here to here. Okay, so let's make a washer here. So this has created this line also. I don't need this line. So I'm going to suppress and suppressing this one too. Okay, so this up to here we are pretty clear on this. Now I'm going to uh, hide these two solids. I'm selecting these solids and I'm hiding it. Okay, now I'm going to just put a 2D mesh here. So a well-defined 2D mesh is created, and again I want to again retrieve my this view. So I'm switching off this one. Yeah, so this part, this surface I forgot to do the back meshing, so I just use the general 2D mesh. Surfaces, mesh, okay, so this has got 31 divisions. Okay, okay, so I need to correct this one also. So let's try to correct this. Okay, so now I will just rebuild this other parts. So go to this 2D rebuild and we'll try to rebuild these things. Okay, rebuild. So now I got some good quality mesh. Now I will just make a go to 3D and go to Hex and simply I will drag it up to here and then here. So selecting the source meshes and then guide I'm selecting as uh, target surface. I'm selecting this surface, and then guides can be selected as this one. Yeah, so this has been meshed. Now I will try to do the hex meshing of this one also. Okay. Let's try to do the map. If it works, then it's good. Mesh it, let's see. Meshing has been failed. Why? So this is a complete solid. Okay. So I need to split this again. Again splitting this surface, and now I will try the map option also. Smash it. Okay. Then map this surface and map this surface. It looks pretty good, not that much. So 2D operations, as I have shown you, can be used here. The batch mesher can be used here to further update the quality. Okay, just I am doing it right now for the hex mesh sake. Okay. And now this too can be again meshed. So that's it. And now if any 2D mesh is there, I need to delete this. Now I will organize everything into one component. That's it. So your hex mesh is completed at this zone. Let's further check the quality, connectivity of the hex mesh. Let's see. I'm going equivalence option. Let's see whether it is connected or not. Okay, some connectivity issue is there. This I don't want to. Let's review this one. This one we don't want to do this. Other things are fine. Okay. Now so this is how you do the hex meshing. And again I need to mirror this one. Okay, so how to mirror this? Go to mirror and then choose all the elements, and planes I need to select it. So planes, this plane is good, and I need to put it here. So preview, keep original, mirror it. When perfectly mirrored, now I need to join this, equivalence this. So we want to merge this nodes. We want to merge only this node. So equivalence. Again, what is this? Yeah, this also nodes needs to be connected, and this nodes also needs to be connected, and this nodes also needs to be connected. Other thing, these elements are very close to each other, so no need to connect it. Thank you. So this is how you do the hex meshing. Thank you.